This is Carl at National RV Detroit, and I'm going to walk you through this 2014 Keystone Avalanche model 345 TG. Alrighty, so on the door side of the trailer at the rear. Okay, let's open this up here. So you have a fold-down sink, or actually that's a fold-down two-burner cooktop. You've got a dorm refrigerator, TV set. Keep in mind you have to plug this in. This is the quick connect line for the grill there. That would plug in right here. You can see on this side of the slide out. Okay, you've got slide topper on your slide out. You have power awning, pass-through basement. These are hydraulics in here for your slide rooms. Okay. This compartment up here, we have your generator. The controls to operate it are inside the trailer. I'll show you that when you come to pick it up. Okay, these are two 30-pound LP tanks right here. Okay. The water closet, which I assume we're cleaning up here. This basically, you can hook a sprayer to here. You can dump your gray and your black tank there. You can select whether you want fresh water or you want to fill the onboard water tank if you want to use city water or water from your tank. One reason you'd want to fill your tank is if, for example, you were camping at a campground that didn't have plumbing on the campsites, you can fill your water tank and then pump the water. And or if you go way out in the middle of nowhere, you can still use your plumbing. So, okay, this is a black tank flush right here. You would put your hose on there to flush your black tank. So what you do is you pull the black first. That's the toilet water and waste. Then you will dump the gray, which is sink and shower water, and then leaving the black valve open, you would hook on your hose onto here, turn it on, and it'll spray the inside of your tent. Also, those are coaxes that go through for antenna, TV, whatever you want to do, campground cable. Okay, so this is your water heater. It's a 10-gallon water heater, as you can see. Runs on gas or electric. This is the electric switch right here. Okay, make sure you never run the heater or the electric heating element or gas for that matter. You never run it unless there's water in the water heater tank. It's important to make sure it's full. Okay, this of course is where you hook your dump hose right there. It's a 50-amp system. Alrighty, that's your 50-amp cord right there. Power stabilizers right here. And you just operate them with that switch right there. Okay. Also, you have a ladder, so it makes it easy to go up and inspect your roof. You want to either inspect it yourself or have someone go up there every 90 days or so. Make sure the sealant is good and there's no cracking or damage or anything like that. So you want to inspect your roof every 90 days. Okay, let's go inside here. This is your control center here to the right. You have lights here. These are your tank levels here. You check your levels. That's how you turn on the water pump right there. Your hydraulic slide rooms, they're all hydraulic, so you just have one switch, it's right there. Your awning, power awning is right there. Remember, don't leave the awning out unattended. If you want to let your water heater on gas, it's that. Okay, and your fantastic fan up here, you can control it from right here. Okay. Also, down below here, this is the switch for your generator. You turn it on and off that way. Okay. This is your power converter. It converts 110 AC to 12 volt DC, so it's got regular household type circuit breakers in there. And then the power is converted to 12 volt DC. It has 12 volt fuses. If any of the fuses were ever to blow, you'll actually see them glowing through this tinted plastic here. Also keep in mind that if you're plugged in, this will also keep your battery charged. Okay. Alright, so you have a range hood. Let me get some more light on here. There's your fan, your vent fan, and your light. You got a microwave that works like any other microwave. I know I'm kind of close here, but I'm doing the best I can. To light your burners, you just light them and spark them. You can see how it lit there. You got you turn the sparker clockwise in order to do that. And then for the oven, which looks like it's never been used, which is something we see all the time. At the very bottom there in the back is a pilot light. So what you would have to do is you have to get a grill lighter with a long neck on it, right? Then you would come over to this knob and you go to pilot, depress it and hold it. Then you light the pilot light with the grill lighter. It's all the way at the back there, like I said. After it lights, you're going to hold this for another 10-15 seconds or so. You go to operating temperature, it cycles on and off like an oven does. But when you go to off, the flame goes out, but so does the pilot light. So you have to remember that you have to relight the pilot each time you use the oven. Okay. You have some remotes here. This particular remote is for your fireplace. Okay. This other small remote, let's see, let me get everything straight here, is for this here, your sound system. You can play DVDs with it, and you know, it might be a little old for Bluetooth, but let's look and see. I don't think so. So anyway, you can play discs with it and that sort of thing, and you know, show DVDs on your TV and that sort of thing. Of course, TV here, so you have the 3 remotes for the fireplace, the stereo, and the television set. Alrighty. This is a fold-out bed, a hide-a-bed. Okay. Okay. Let's move this way and see what else we've got. There should be a. Let me walk back over here to take a look. Okay. Okay, excuse me. Alright, so the shower and sink and shower work like any other sink and shower. Just turn it on and you're all set. You do have a fan here. If you're going to run the shower, make sure you always run the fan. The toilet, it's got a flush pedal on it. Keep in mind that when you get to the campground and you hook up your water and power, you'll come in here and stand on that pedal and just let a good gallon or 2 of water go into the black tank. Always do that as part of setting up, so you got some water in the tank. You can't use it when it's dry, so keep that in mind. Your thermostat here is an analog thermostat. You have heat, off, fan, and cool. Fan is the air conditioner running without the compressor, so that's all it is. Let's see what we've got in here. Okay. So your front air conditioner has its own set of controls right here. Right? The thermostat I just showed you affects the air conditioner for the main area. Okay, so you have all kinds of storage, a TV set up here if you choose to. Let's see, what else do we have? Well, the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. This is your emergency window here. You escape this way by pushing this through, and then if you can see that, you push this through and then pull the screen out and you're all set. Okay. Alrighty, let's see. Nice trailer, very, very different than what I see a lot. It's really unique. Alright, so this is a gas absorption refrigerator. It runs on either LP gas or 110 AC. So you turn it on. Oops, I just do it again. So you can see how I've pushed this mode button till auto came on. That's how you're going to run it mostly on auto. Auto means that electricity takes parameters, so it always seeks out electricity. But if it can't find it, it'll automatically switch over to gas. Or if you're, running on electricity during the day and everybody's gone exploring and you have a power failure at the campground, it'll automatically switch over to gas for you. So that's the most common used position. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, I want to thank you for purchasing your trailer here at National RV Detroit. We can go over some things with you when we come in to pick it up, of course, if you need us to. Remember what I said about inspecting your roof every 90 days. That's very important. It's maintenance that every trailer owner should do. So it's just something you have to do. So please take care of that. And at this moment, the trailer's still winterized. So there's antifreeze in the system, and the water heater's bypassed, that sort of thing. So it's still in winter mode. So okay, thank you.